Melissa and Peter. We travel the world doing things that plus-size individuals are told we can't do. So if you are looking for tips, tricks, or just want to get started with the travel life, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey.
So we just did Niagara Falls,
It was fun.
the Maid of the Mist,
Yeah.
on the American side.
Now we're by the American Falls. It was really cool. It was like a scene out of Jurassic Park.
So Peter has never done the Maid of the Mist, even though he's been to Buffalo.
Many times. Many times.
So I just took him on the Maid of the Mist on the American side. How do you feel?
Less wet than I thought I would be. It's fun.
We stood right in the front. Our boat was actually more than half empty, right?
Some say half empty, some say half full.
So we were able to move around on the boat, which was pretty awesome. We're now walking to the pedestrian bridge over
Goat Island. Sounds like a heavy metal song.
and we're next to Niagara River, right?
Yeah, it's a branch of it.
Alright, so let me see. Niagara River. That is the pedestrian bridge we're going to. So I did the Maid of the Mist in the Canadian side, I would say 10 years ago. Something like that. I'll put up a picture of it. Really not that different. You just, on the American side, you go down a 20-story elevator to get to the boat, which was pretty awesome, very quick to go through. And then on the Canadian side, I can't remember, you do have to go down, but I think you go on a, what are they called? A ramp. Oh, we found a map. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear any of this because it's really loud here, but we are on the pedestrian bridge. Alright, so we made it to the, which falls is this?
Horseshoe Falls or International Falls, depending on which sign you look at.
Okay.
I think actually the big one is the horseshoe, or the whole thing is the horseshoe. But
think it's
this
the
little
whole
piece
thing.
is the International Falls. But the name is because this is the United States of America, and that's Canada. So, America, Canada, America, Canada, America, Canada, America, Canada. And
So that's America, right? Ow.
sorry, Ben. So, we're here in America. I'm in Canada. I'm in America. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And that's Canada. Or America. Or no, that's Canada. And we are seeing the falls that spans two countries. Pretty big. Kind of cool. And we went to that.
Look at the wind in my hair.
And
It's
it was
not
very nice there.
Did you enjoy
I did.
your trip to the falls?
It's fun. I never did the Maid of the Mist before. Been here before. Never done the Maid of the Mist before.
I think my shoes are finally dry.
Yeah, I thought so too. It's not that bad. We actually didn't need the extra stuff we brought. We were wrong. It's not Goat Island, it's Prospect Island. Although I still say Goat Island would be a cooler name.
We spent the rest of our time with friends and family while we were in Buffalo, New York, so this is just a montage of different things that we did.
You got a nice wind going with the hair.
Yeah, you look very pretty, baby. I know I make everything more beautiful. And come on, look at it. There definitely could have been goats on it at one time.
Taking a video of the